my name is Jomo Pereira and I'm a technical support engineer here at LC Automation. Today we're going to be having a look at the Patlite WIO units. So we all know and love Patlite for the signal towers and light beacons. But when a problem happens on your factory floor, we need to get alerts to the right people as soon as possible. And that's where the WIO comes into it. So using long-range Bluetooth, the WIO units can alert you of any issues or faults from one side of the factory to the other. So let's set the scene. Your plant is running as normal, but you suddenly have a problem on one of your production lines or on one of your machines. You need to get your product managers or your maintenance engineers to know about this problem as soon as possible, and this way they can get the problem sorted and keep your productivity up. So how do the units work? The WIO units actually sit as a base for your signal tower, and how you transmit the signals is completely up to you. You can have external inputs coming from push buttons, which will operate the signal tower on your transmitter, as well as relaying them to outputs on your receiver unit, such as this blue button here. And on the output side, that could be tied again to the signal tower or external lights, audio devices, or even be fed back to a PLC, for example. And it's effortless to set up the units. All you need to do in reality is power them on transmitter and then receiver, and they will automatically pair. You've got the nice indication ring as well to show you when it is successfully paired and when it's not, or if there's any connection issues. The range on the units is 100 meters line of sight with just one transmitter and one receiver. However, you can add further receiver units to act as relays for the signal. So then with 3 extra receivers as repeaters, you'd end up having a range of 400 meters maximum. So if you'd like a demonstration, or if you think you could benefit from the WIO units, please do get in touch with us here at LC Automation. Thank you.